Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to save hashtag on Twitter. So let's get started. Begin by launching your X application. Then tap on the search icon which is at the bottom of your screen right next to home icon. Now in the search bar, type in the hashtag that you would like to save. Tap on the three vertical dots at the top right corner of your screen. And then tap on Save this search option. And this is how you can save hashtag on Twitter. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.